Hi everyone. A lot of people have been asking how would they be able to access or download their business or limited liability company registration certificates after CAC might have approved their registration. Okay, before you can proceed in downloading or accessing your business registration certificate, or if it's a limited liability company certificate, you have to you must ensure that CAC must have approved the registration before you can proceed ahead. So I need to confirm if CAC have approved my registration by logging in to my dashboard. Cross links, cross links. Gmail.com. Check this. I'm not a robot. Then click on submit. Login. Okay, so presently I'm in my dashboard, and as you can see under registrations, CAC have approved my registration. That's why on this workflow module you can see under registered you can see one. So for me to download or access my certificates, I'm gonna click on this registered. So when I click on registered, sorry. Yeah, so when you click on registered, then you'll be directed to this section for you to download your certificate. So I'm gonna click on download document, and please you need to take note that as soon as CAC approved your business registration or a limited liability company or whatever registration you are doing, you only have a space of 7 days after approval to download your certificate for free. But failure to do so attract a fine of 5,000 naira each, as you can see on my laptop screen. So the days given to me, which is 7 days, has elapsed. So therefore, for me to download my certificate, status report, and the partnership agreement, I need to pay a sum of 5,000 naira each, which gives a sum of 15,000 naira before I can download it. But if you download it within the 7 days grace period given, you are not going to pay any uh, money for that. So that's all about how you can download or access your business certificate or your private limited liability company registration certificate. Thank you, and remember this. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscription button below and smash the notification bell so that you will keep on getting good content of this nature about how you can register a private limited liability company, how you can register a business name, an NGO, and so on and so forth. So if you wish to join my premium class, where I will take you through the whole process and attend to you whenever you have any challenge when it comes to helping people to get their business or their company registered, I will give you my full support and ensure that you get the best out of it. So kindly go to the description of this video. Yeah, you're gonna see a link which is the premium class registration. Click on it and send us a chat or a message on WhatsApp. We are going to respond to you within 24 hours and add you up to our premium class. Though the cost for it is competitive on the little, just a token you're gonna pay for you to join our premium class, where you will learn everything about registration and how you can start making money helping people to do the same. Thank you, and remember this, I am Chris. I am the founder of ProWeb Digital Marketing.